I've got a really cool hack for you. This is for everybody who hears that word transpose. Transpose. And they go, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? All right, this is the hack that'll beat all hacks. It's the hackable hack that beats the hack out of hacks. Anyway, this is just simply allowing you to do a transpose from any key, and you're only going to need to know the first 7 letters of the alphabet and have a hand. That's right. So let's find out just how to transpose with ease here at Ohio Jimbo. Okay, if you've ever been playing and somebody says to you, hey, let's transpose this, or let's go up to the key of such and such. Oh my gosh, you just sit there and you go, where do I go? What do I do? And you might be a little frightened of that. Don't be. It's very simple. It's very simple. All you need to know is the first 7 letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No more H and on, don't need them. All we need is those first ones because that's all the chords there are. And we're gonna stay in major chords with this to keep it very, very simple. So if someone's playing a song in C, now this is very easy because it's C, F, and G. When someone says, oh, let's play that in D, all you do is move up 1 key, right? So you go from C to D, that's the next word. So D. Now, if your other letter was F, your other note was F, the next one after F is G. And the next one after G, so it was C, F, and G, right? So now we're in D, G, and what's the next one? If we go C, F, and G, the next one is A. See how it comes back to the beginning? A. So now you've transposed C, F, and G into D, G, and A. It's the exact same progression. It's just 1 chord off. Now here's the trick to it. So 1 key is easy, C to D. So you go C, F, G, goes D, G, A. But now what we want to do, let's say someone says, oh, we're in C. And I want to take that up to G for whatever reason. So now C, here's the cool part. Take your thumb on your guitar, go C, right? C. Now follow the alphabet, D, E, F, G. So what this makes is this finger now tells you you're four notes away from transposing. So any one of them. So let's go, we're saying we're in G. Let's go G, C, and D. Let's say that's the progression of this particular song. So G, we go G, so we go A, B, C, D. Okay, so that makes it pretty simple. Anywhere you go on the neck, any note you're playing, it's going to be that simple to use it. So as we talked about, someone's playing in C, F, and G, and now they want to take it to a G. So that G goes from C, D, E, F, G, 4 notes. So the next one was F. Now you got to know your alphabet. You got to get back to that alphabet. So you go F, G, A, B, C. Okay, so now we're starting in G, and the second one will be C. Now this is where it really gets cool because all of these start to tie together. The last one in C, F, and G, let's go G, A, B, C, D, becomes a D. So now that chord progression of C, F, and G simply takes a new transforming because the C going to G, so we have G, and then the F, which was F. G, A, B, C, okay? It's just that easy. And then the G, which is G, A, B, C, D, which is D. So now we go simply to a G, C, and D. So C, F, and G becomes a G, C, and D. If you're hearing that, it's that simple. All you need to do is find your root key, whatever it is that you want to change, and follow it through. So if it's G, A, B, C. Now if you know your 3, you take whatever's the second chord. You do the same thing to 3. Whatever that third one is, wherever your hand is, and it doesn't have to be on the guitar, it can be anywhere. It can be on your head, whatever it is. But once you do it, you've got it now that you know exactly where those chords are. So just count them out, know the letters of the alphabet, and that's as simple as it gets. You can transpose any song you want, any single song in any key. Now, when you start getting into flats and sharps, there are a little bit of differences to it, but for the most part, you'll be right in the realm with everybody else. So if you're ever playing with anybody else and they say, oh, I want to sing this in a higher key or a lower key, don't freak out. Don't say, well, I only know it in G. Now you know it in every key. So you can kind of play around with it and see what key works best for a person that maybe wants to sing the song. It's that easy. That is the hack of all hacks. So if you want something simple, there it is. Don't be afraid of transposing. Don't be afraid of someone saying, can you play that in a higher key or a lower key, whatever it may be. You're going to be able to do it because now you know the secret. Use your hand, bass note, whatever that note is that you want to change, and then count them out. And you know that you can go past those two if you want to, but it's either up or down, one way or the other. So you just get that G, A, B, C. Oh, we got 3. Then you go to the next one, C, C, D, E, F. Oh, I know that I go to the F now. That's how easy it is. So I hope this hack works as easy for you as it has for me. It's a very simplistic version. There's no books written on it or anything. Just have fun with it and let yourself play. Expand your audience, expand your song repertoire, and whoever is going to be singing with you, let them sing in the key that they want to sing in. That's the fun of playing acoustic guitar. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Just a little hack of all hacks. And well, if you like it, hit subscribe down below, would you? Leave me some messages in the comments down there. I love to hear what you're saying and what your questions are. And like and subscribe. Just do what you can to help me keep growing this channel. And I'm going to keep bringing simple lessons to you as much as I can. I got quite a few summer songs coming up, so stick around with me. So this is Ohio Jimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.